Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a shortcut to create a note on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So if you're a person who likes to create note on the go, then let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and long press on the home screen. Next, tap on wallpaper and style. Now from here, tap on lock screen. Now here, you can go ahead and add it on this side or at the bottom right. So we'll go ahead and add it at the bottom left. From this action menu, find create note action, just right here. Tap on this, and now you've added the create note shortcut. Tap OK, done, and tap home. Lock your screen, now wake it up. Now to use this create note shortcut, go ahead and drag it to the center. Go ahead and enter your credentials, and now you can go ahead and create your note. So this basically lets you quickly create note on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to create the create note shortcut on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.